Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own shampoo. Your own hair shampoo for massive hair growth and much more length retention. Yes, as you can see, I have my Ghana black soap here, which is very good for cleansing the scalp, and also it has properties which are very good for growing or cleansing out your hair, and also leaving most of your natural hair oils that you have in your hair to prevent damage or to prevent breakages in your hair. So before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. This channel is about learning DIY simple ways to use home found ingredients to use that are more of beneficial. So as you can see, I'm going ahead to get most of the soap out of the bigger side. So now you make sure you go ahead to crush everything into pieces. Sorry, I'm using my hand. Now I'm going to add my rice water that I have here. This is the remain of my rice water. I will leave the link down in the description box below, so if you really want to know how to make your rice water, you learn how to make your rice water. You can use rice water as a pre-poo, shampooing, and also deep condition. So with this method, I'm going to show you one of it, which is the shampooing method, and also you can use it as a leave-in if you are high porosity. Yes, for me, I am high porosity, so anything goes with which has more of protein is good for my hair. And rice water, when you rinse it out from your hair, it's full of inositol that is still going to remain in your shampoo, in your hair. So I'm going to actually, I'm going to use my hand in making my black soap shampoo. Yes. If you want a quicker way of using or melting down your black soap, you just have to pour in a little bit of warm water. Okay guys, so this is my black soap. Yes, as you can see, mixed with rice water. And my next step or my next ingredient is honey. Honey is very good in moisturizing your scalp and also softening the hair. Yes, soften the hair. And with this, I'm just going to measure this spoonful of it. Honey is very good for the hair as well. I've been using this shampoo for a very long time and it is good. So you make sure you mix it very well. Now I'm going ahead with my Ayurvedic oil. You can use any oil that you have, which is very good for the hair. Especially you can use your onion, ginger, garlic oil. If you want to know how to make your onion, ginger, garlic oil, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And also you can use your aloe vera oil that you have. Yes, not necessarily that if you don't have any Ayurvedic oil, you can. So I'm going ahead. I want to stir it to measure 1 spoonful of this into it. This is so simple and so easy to do to give your hair such a good treat. Alright, so my next step is I'm going to need an applicator bottle and a strainer. So I'm going ahead to strain my shampoo into it. That's it. Yes, so use this to wash your hair. Make sure you wet your hair before you use it. Alright, there'll be a video on how you're going to apply this or use this to wash down your hair very soon. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to subscribe. Please don't forget to share to your friends as well. Thank you for watching.